What's up guys, Dan here with VidderTech, coming to you from one of two brand new VidderTech studios. I've got studio tours coming soon to the channel, but today we're talking about a question that I get asked relatively frequently, and that is, how much money do I make on YouTube? And that's crazy because I only started my channel 6 months ago. I just got monetized 1 month ago. But regardless, I want to answer that question for you guys. So today I'm going to take you through everything that I've made on YouTube to the dollar. My goal is to help you understand what you could make and set realistic expectations, whether you're someone getting close to that monetization period on YouTube, or whether you're just thinking about starting a channel from the beginning. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so when it comes to YouTube in the beginning, there's actually only a couple of ways that you can make money. See, YouTube doesn't allow you to serve ads on your videos until you've reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Or at least that's the criteria at the time of making this video in 2021. My initial goal was to hit that criteria within 1 year of starting the channel. And thanks to all of you who are watching right now, I was able to hit that goal in just 6 months. So thank you so much for liking the channel, for watching the videos, for supporting us and subscribing. All of your actions helped us get here, and now I want to give back to my subscribers. So my biggest source of revenue so far comes from YouTube ads. YouTube allows you to put one ad at the beginning of all of your videos and a mid-roll or an ad placed in the middle of your video on videos longer than 8 minutes long. So in that first month of being monetized, I applied ads to all of my videos where possible, and the total amount that I made was $752.60 Canadian, or right around $592 US. And before you get carried away, this number is actually quite a bit larger than you would expect if you were a brand new YouTuber. It just so happened that at the time I got monetized, I released a video that hit the algorithm and it completely took off. Within that first month, it got around 50,000 views, which isn't all that common for a brand new YouTuber, but those views are responsible for seeing a lot of ads and generating most of that income. So to help give a little bit of transparency, here's a breakdown of the videos that I had and the income that came from them. You can see that that one video that really took off was responsible for between 30 and 50% of the revenue for that month. So you would assume that as a new YouTuber, if I took that video out, you'd be making about half of that from ad revenue. And of course, every video that you put out there has the ability to continue to generate income month over month, especially if it's evergreen content. By the time I was monetized, I had uploaded about 70 videos, and all of that together was what amounted to $750 in revenue. Now, ad revenue is not the only way that you can make money on YouTube. In fact, you can start making money before you're even monetized with Amazon Affiliates program. Amazon allows you to put customized links into the description of your videos, and if you refer someone to make a qualifying purchase on Amazon, or they click on your product and purchase something else on Amazon, you make a percentage of the profits from that purchase. I typically leave links to my gear and to relevant product links in the description down below. And this isn't something you necessarily need to wait to implement either. If you're not monetized, you are allowed to apply to the Amazon Affiliates program. And the only criteria is that you have to direct 3 qualifying purchases and have a following of at least 500 subscribers on YouTube in order to be accepted into the program. Now, if you're like me and you apply to the Amazon Affiliates program right when you start YouTube, there is a chance you'll get rejected within that first couple of months. But in that case, Amazon will pay you everything that you have made up until that point, and you can just apply and start again until you do hit that minimum criteria. So giving you a breakdown of what I've made on Amazon, in that very first month of applying to the Amazon Affiliate program, I made $23 US. The following month, I made $36.55. In December, toward the end of the year, I made $94.72. And then in January, I made $45.16. Totaling all of that up, we get $231.08 US. That's around $292.78 Canadian. Now, another method of my income came from a partnership I had with the brand HOOBS. They create the HOOBS Smart Home Hub, and I partnered with them to showcase more smart home services on the channel. In return, I also became an affiliate for their products, meaning if someone hits the link in my description and they purchase HOOBS, I get a percentage of the profit from that much like on Amazon. So the total I've brought in from HOOBS so far comes to $119 US, which is approximately $151 Canadian. So that's a look at everything that I've made on YouTube, not only just in my first month monetized, but everything before that in those first 6 months. To sum up, we have AdSense for the month of January, which totaled to $592 US. We've got the Amazon affiliates program from October to January, which totaled at $231.08 US. We've got the HOOBS affiliate program, which came to a total of $119 US. And that all amounts to a total of $942.08 US. That's about $1,192 Canadian. So I wanted to make this video to clarify and to help new YouTubers set realistic expectations. Let me know down in the comments if you found this video helpful, because if you did, I'm going to be creating more regular updates like this for the channel. So let me know in the comments whether you want to see these monthly, quarterly, or annually. As well, if you haven't already, remember to hit that like button because it tells YouTube that videos like this don't suck. Hit that subscribe button to see more from me. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.